on my own Makrumo. I never cry, walk up and TV. To the Fiera. There's a war. Oh, Tiamo TV and answer.
I don't know any of those.
I'm sure that's what I make him go. Oh, whatever walk up. And the US of France catching. You call document in the every crown now could be grand near Boamaba. Now we see Kanya dinner. It will be a Tragana. I'm not sure cry at this age from say. How many edgy more cabo, moment the giant screen.
Yes.
As you much need to know we,
of course.
Into how they say.
A video,
a video, yes, what be here. No, number Chamuka.
I don't know. I have World Cup second. I did not try.
Yes, US of no, I'm Chino.
Yes.
To me, I know more beside Ghana for I cannot say. Not Ghana for her, or Boomia, or Castle. Hey, I'm okay. And you're going to go home.
Now, boy, no, you have some aware, no, so.
Yeah, so
World Cup.
And there's Aquano. Oh, thank you. The best animal names and Nadia of a
I say, I'm saying, maybe you qualifies, no.
Oh, and a day, agro. Maybe, yes, sure, say, the near was said. Oh, of course, I know they take Sanya money into consideration.
Exactly.
Because they are now for years cited. Na omyo and mommy a visa no US na visa near then I mean it's normal.
94 World Cup I'm a wafa for bi kokobom sese. Sorry continue na.
But finally World Cup na.
Yes.
Yes, from the opening ceremony. And no game ne kosurano. Stadium announcer no announcement set stadium omo kan nipa ni nyina no on the stadium na kasafa enipa 83,000 but then enipa 80,000.
It's one of the most biggest stadiums in the world.
Yes, 80,000
intimidating
capacity stadium and enra announce nipa 80,000 mum and ekopie mu awo stadium ho and utie FIFA for na on say amomanya ska and ama asanso a record say ye bo a opening game na revenue eba a game no we a record.
The sponsors and so any budget
yeah 80,000 supporters and na amo awo a stadium couple with the games in no Jude mention something for
you. First of all about the opening ceremony, me spending my time on it. I would rather prefer spending my time on the games or the game than the opening ceremony. But me feel say it was well orchestrated. Or should Bernard Boy in the performance or Danedy and then Piqué Ankasa
and Shakira and na easy gra.
We are still we have to say yes and Piqué to one was or then touch my fan and all kakra, and that's on the lighter side anyway. But me feel say generally it was well coordinated. Now, not EIM share had to do with the fact that prior to the start of the competition, so okay, Mexico for drug barons, you know, Momo penny back one and Hokaino, ne drew baby cram a man forecast and Kebeya Anka, Mexico crano, Yenji hosting rights now, Omo Enyano, Yenji Omo Dienem Femfilmonsem. Now, I'm concentrating on the US of A and Canada. Also, they usually are about CONCACAF Gold Cup, no, or US, about Sanima winning, say security, infrastructure, and all that. But fortunately for us, who be Bonnie BI, so I think that would also have to commend the organizers as well as the security personnel. You deploy almost ensure say BBR course so torty. Me assure say subsequently games na akai bebono a bit follows because of the free countries, no Mexico pay and a man for you a bit uncomfortable. Into here who's no. Now rich on the game itself. Me buy na ye didim komo bi na me catch minia ye chief executive producer say ade into na South Africa. Time no free apartheid no epie you know. Na South Africa bobola. No more massive support Africa na 5 minutes to obeke. Time a John Show Musho, Quentin Fortune no, Eric Tinkler, Philemon Masinga talk of this center back their Osen who own goal no Pierre Issa. Kasa almost squad no. So more talented generation I mean after so almost squad no. Ye omunya squad bi e beto omu e bia se abongi no vet mo kra na nka bebe ho kakra say no be a support you. Okay, somebody can Orlando Pirates edge Africa Champions League. Omu no mo tour so e de ba be ra Afcon mu. Omu ti ye boy trainer ya bi ankofo no e fa Afcon. Omu sign kwa another one in 1998. Omu ni Egypt. The Hassan brothers Osama Hassan mo e call grand finale. And san omu emiti omu match in them. That period ni nyina no, they were really loved by all and sundry. The entire Africa na ota omu echi. But rich. Suddenly South Africa nyina ba be jom. Enu obo ni ball nyina no. Yes, send bia na outside noise no. Say, and yet just the stadium alone. Tis out here Hugo Bruce. Bruce ese ade ba ko a ha omo no. Na ye support omo anya. So what your goalkeepers Ron Williams. Oh no so na sem na.
So go dem born on boy no.
Born on boy. But see about game now. So reach on him. So the game itself Obaswa. Me the can catch all has a win for Mexico. Na under 3.5. Okay, so make us say no. Na game na ya nso da nya kwan awura game no. But na minim say factors bebre ebe militate against South Africa. First of all about the venue and about game no.
80,000.
Yes, what winning Mexico bia no. Mexico national team na nkasa no check omo record wo World Cup mu say baby omo perform ye pa omo best performances no. Omo nya Azteca Stadium, omo nya Mexico. Eye honum no omo perform ye. Results papa omo nya dodo na no. Eye Azteca. And I say Mexico omo ho and omo nya saade no. So now omo draw inspiration from saade because e honum no. Ground is so intimidating. Untimi nya de wo person ye. Right, secondly, with the kind of quality and Mexico edeba. So obo yes ye beba e bia selection Hugo Bruce so. But obo na o share from esro at the Baffour'S. Almost squad quality and almost deba, almost exposure, almost level. Now they compare South Africa. Now you'll be a good game next year. In a way you could best describe it as David and Goliath affair. I am one baby. So I didn't imagine who before the game was the psyche of South Africa players. Because stadium now no MLD can hear a down. What I say? Stadium now
South Africa players.
Yes. Stadium now would cancel because Rich me tried there.
I'm be intimidated by crowd now stadium.
Oh, of course.
Most of the players no. Come team at CAF Champions League now.
No, regardless, Rich, also patrol.
Now, obi to me intimidate too. China about North Africa.
Rich.
The kind of atmosphere there on was North Africa.
Rich, me try there.
Every Mexico for ye.
Rich, me try there be. When your World Cup stage is different from Africa level, and so here open by history. African teams are performing here at World Cup the highest stage. No, you would have about 80 to 90% of them who play or trade that were outside the country. Cameroon, and it bear the first African nation. I'll call World Cup quarterfinals. So no cry the Oshoki Ubia, say defending champions Argentina, Francois Manbeekmo, and Omo yes Ejumano. Almost Argentina so by a solitary goal. Argentina na Diego Armando Maradona, any Canadian Buru Chagamo, a Casa squad no. 1990 World Cup, almost. About 90 to 95% of all players no more ball outside the country. Hence they have what we call exposure. Rich, talk of Senegal, Japan, South Korea 2002. So I'm gonna the second African nation. Elko World Cup on performing through quarterfinals. It was Senegal. Rich Senegal no about 98% of the squad. No more ball outside the country. El Haddouf or Diouf. Salif Diao, no or with Liverpool, that handsome gentleman, made for the Nimbo Boyepa. Papa Bupa Diop, Kalilu Fadiga mo. Name outside number mo. So they had the exposure. The third African country was Ghana. Ghana Echo World Cup no. About 95% of our players. No more exposure. Michael Essien, one of the finest midfielders are Yenya Asasi so. I
said Jude, asama okay.
Yes.
Me try no.
Don't worry.
But asama okay. Say we North Africans are sometimes they be a national team no. Ubenya most of their local boys are more born national team now. So about West Africa no Central no money there. Your national teams no do na players no bobo abuchi.
But Rich, Tina na make
most of them they plan their trade outside.
Rich, utie. African countries are Aqua World Cup I pay for me beyond. It's unim. So we buy a level. Ebia Africa here there. Ubetimi ababo. To say Egypt for instance at a point or Africa or Tuaso meboa. And so World Cup nimpona unqualify. But I have no idea because the players ni na no akwa kojina Egypt onum na. And so beyond a hano no ntimi nko. And on your opportunity so kra emfa. But rich steady idea bi Morocco a team or the call World Cup or do semi-finals. Yes, they had quality, they had experience. Yasin Bono Wina Osrono with SC via Dana only. Ashraf Hakimi, Paris Saint-Germain. Talk of this small boy our Real Madrid. Can onona ka Morocco ni team no in its entirety. Quality, experience, exposure. And to mention the name Morocco, any be a World Cup no eba apart from Mustafa Ajimonomo enko omonim no. Sa usha sadia na they are not too nchen. Also Morocco squad na Ukraine. They had the exposure. To say almost yawa rich, almost low. But South Africa, they are not in their kokoye. They have a lot of limitations. So starting from Africa. Okay, so South Africa. Cameroon, they are moving round of 16. No. I'm going to show you 2-1. No. Right after it, okay, Hugo Bruce interview or guarantee. Just after the competition, no move. Or see, the reason they man South Africa. Every money say, how many top class players or apply or trade in Europe? And to the front of exposure, he talked about it. Say away almost because now the almost a Cameroon team now. Cameroon team no, most of them are established stars. Almost say exposure no. To see another way almost. And so South Africa about competition no. Now at the home and what's the deal? This man about the Shakes Mashaba got an accent NCAB. Almost no me ultra defensive setup. Reason in the say. Almost team nindi bebre. So the first one nanka South Africa airborne. Omutimi express omu in time past and no quality no. Because say omunim say and omu quality no e form. One, omuni an elite attacker. Europe. Maybe for now South Africa, Europe. The topmost striker ebo Bentley. Elio Foster, maybe what? Foster you just 3 goals no said my Bentley. Ubetimi the Foster out to Raul Jimenez. No. Gap no wadodo in terms of quality, in terms of experience, in terms of exposure. On my Raul Jimenez baby ya. Rich, bra, uko Saudi Pro League na. Onim the offer goal king no.
Abrante no share first goal.
Junior Quinos no. On the far goal king no.
Deadly. He's a deadly striker.
33 goals. And on the far. Omo league no. Rich me pacho. Liga Cristiano Ronaldo mu nyina omo. Into ono share the level ano de ba na share ball na or boy. South Africa team na na wo ho no. When they bet me match up to that level. But so minim say oh take my point and anyone want say no mo mistakes so. Mexico for who say yes share competition na say South Africa for no ho be kire omo because stage never form. They knew it. And they were so smart to say yes say game na say even how they set up. But with
and also omo front three now. Omo na press it
perfect.
South Africa for them far ball now they press them.
No magic because one South Africa air ball with 3 center backs. Unfortunately, 3 center backs no more. 3 center backs no more 5-man midfield.
With 2 wing backs.
With 2 wing backs. Now, interestingly, Rich ball with 3 center backs are Bisafi. 3 center backs, so center backs no they must have pace. Meboa. Rich, center backs no more lack pace. Ball with 3 center backs. But they lack pace. And trust you me, some mistakes are not almost air committee. And when Mexico bet me a bomb for a crowd. Even Ron Williams, one of the finest goalkeepers, you cry our Africa. Keeper Yasin Awards, you're nominating the first goalkeeper on your side. On pushing mistakes be because that goal no, can you say a free and midfielder no.
A goalkeeper.
A goalkeeper no no play me.
A goalkeeper because on say until na make say Russia. South Africans no about 5 air defenders.
Yes.
3 of them, of course, they now they are center backs and no more 2 wing backs.
Yes.
It is all here. Mexicans, you know, set your team up in such a way, say the 3 players no more anymore.
Yes.
No press. They will press on center backs
exactly
for the ball.
Exactly.
So what I say, at the time of Williams, Emma pass, and I was like, one person was our Brandon. They was here close to no. All personal. What the pass in the manner or 10 years about your body day. It's let me name the reason why I'm calling. so now call shot.
And they just needed that early goal. No more early goal, no, because
to unsettle them.
Exactly, because already Momuni say stage no afamo. It is stage na afamo because Momuni players almost exposure no Europe. Tisan say Momuni no stage na afamo. Secondly, South Africa, rich. South Africa, any creative players are obetimi because I trust you me. They are not Queenos at the ball. Queenos no were versatile. Obetimi abo as a natural number 9. Obebo as number 10. Odne bo both wings in so. Obetimi abo. She they no ade yomo. Na they so funny ni. Queenos elbow around him and his elbow no. No mo best player and Bokra no anything no. No bench. Unim for no best player. Zoberto Mora. That small boy. Our bought Juana or Mexico no. That small boy in the 17 years no. That guy. And see, what's quality?
I'm from Mexico Pedri.
No, that boy Odimbo Bododo. And to what's quality first of all? And conforno at the buy. Now compare South Africa with Nesquado. Crown said they're not South Africa area. It was understandable. Obet me at the ball no, a pass it ball no around because about 95% of the players no a ball domestic league no. Sadia no ebe natural. So mubenya. Sa chemistry no ebe. But a player no what that level, that pedigree. Oh, bet me unlucky defense. Unsettle opponents. Ama those incisive passes no. Only into ball they are passing the ball around. Yes, you would have it. Rich. Red cards too normal yeah. Unim mistakes too as in South Africa. Apart from one said they lack emotional intelligence. And red cards too normal Jane, it will affect them greatly. Because World Cup well obet me the free points are qualified. But ye bibiana ye check it goals will be say a check it goal difference near there. Disciplinary issues, Beba.
It will affect them.
It will affect them. Mexico, they deserve the 3 points.
Brian, Yensha Mexico, South Africa, game Viana, Wabana,